Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Mehra. I have recently completed the data analytics course and it was highly rewarding experience for me. The course content was well structured, covering all the essential topics like data and data visualization, statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and data automation and etc. All the topics were covered in highly detailed manner. Each module was enriched with practical examples and practice questions, hands-on exercises, and the instructor were highly knowledgeable and their clear explanation made even the most challenging topics easier to grasp for me. The inclusion of tools like Python, Excel, Power BI, etc., particularly helpful for me in gaining industry knowledge. And what stood for me was the focus on actionable insights and problem solving, which has greatly improved my analytical skills and decision making abilities. The assignments and project pushed me to apply my knowledge effectively, preparing for real world challenges. Overall, this course has been instrumental in enhancing my skills and confidence as data analyst. uh, I highly recommend to everyone looking to deepen their understanding of data analytics and advance their career. Thank you.